Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently I have been signing up for random subscription boxes, just trying new things, and the first box I found on Instagram was Daebak seasonal subscription box, so I wanted to show you guys what's inside this one. This box was $49.99, but it retails at a 75 plus value. So I got the box around a month after I ordered it, which was much faster than I thought, so I was really happy with how fast the shipping was. So I really like how the packaging of this box is. It is very colorful and I like how playful and fun the design is. I think it is a very cute box, and I really like that on the inside of the box it gives you some more information about what the word Daebak means, which I thought was really cool, and I really had a fun time reading it. The first thing they give you is a small magazine that shows you what will be inside the box. There are also some articles related to lifestyle and Korean pop culture, which I thought was super interesting, so that was a really fun surprise I wasn't expecting to receive in my box. The first item I got was a cable protector. I have been wanting to try these for a really long time, so I'm very happy that I finally got one. I'm not sure really how useful they are, but they seem really cute, so I was happy with receiving it in this box. The next thing I got was an oil glow mist from Etude House. I did not know that Etude House had released an oil glow mist, but I was really happy to receive this. The box is super cute, and I really love the light pink color and the light bulb theme design. The actual packaging of the product is super cute and interesting. I really liked how they incorporated the light bulb design into the packaging as well as the box. The mist also smells really good. It's not too strong of a smell, but it still has a nice light fragrance. Overall, I am super happy with this cute and unique designing of the packaging. Then I got a tub of Jeju Aloe Ice from the Face Shop. I'm not sure how I feel about this, not because it's a bad product, but because I might be allergic to aloe, so I will probably try it, but if I am actually allergic, I will then probably give it to one of my friends instead, since I can't use it. I also received a tin of note cards from Esther Bunny. I love stationery, so any form of stationery is something I love to receive. I think these are very cute note cards, and I can't wait to paste them into my pen pal letters and my notes in my notebook. I like that the note cards are in a tin, and it makes it feel very organized and well made. I think this character is very cute, and the baby pink color is super cute. I got quite a few items from this brand, and I really like that it all matches. Then I also received a triple blush from Melimeli. I think this is an adorable design. I've seen this blush on YesStyle and other Korean beauty shops, so I'm very excited to finally be able to try it. The heart-shaped design is adorable and very aesthetic. I really like that this box seems to have a baby pink theme to it. Baby pink is not my favorite color, but I do really enjoy the aesthetic of it. So yeah, I'm very excited to try to incorporate it into my daily makeup routine. In the Daebak magazine, they wrote an article about how you can use the blush as an eyeshadow palette as well, so I really want to try that out as well, since it seems like a really interesting idea. They also gave me a random pair of socks, which is super nice. Ankle socks are always welcome, especially as winter is rapidly approaching. Another beauty-related item I received was a sheet mask from Cacao Friends and the Face Shop. I received the Ryan sheet mask, which makes me super happy. Ryan is one of my favorite characters from the Cacao Friends line, and I have a lot of products from his collection. One of the larger items in the box was a cute cup from Esther Bunny. I'm really excited to use this for iced tea and water. I'm not sure how I feel about the straw. I might end up taking off the little character charm at the top. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do about the straw. However, It feels really well made, so I'm really happy with this item. The color is also super cute and goes along with the general theme of this season's box. The last item I received in this box is a tote bag with a peach from Cacao Friends. I'm super happy with it. I have been looking for a good tote bag for a while because I like to use tote bags when I bring my books to the library, so I'm really excited that I finally got a new one. Okay everyone, that is it for this week's video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below about any video ideas you want to see or anything in general, and I will see you next week. Bye!